Hi, my name is Jacob Smith, and this is our strategic planning and policies for Jacobs Elementary School. Diving right in, we're going to go right into our business goals, which this comes from our CEO himself. We're going to, over the next 3 to 5 years, we want to increase overall attendance to 500 students. We want to use tuition and budget tuition to expand school buildings. We want to increase network and physical security. And then we want to increase our teacher's salary by $20,000. These four assets here are really the main assets, what keeps one, the elementary school in business and in operation and protects our most valuable asset, which one are the students, two is our sensitive data. From a IT perspective, we do have responsibilities in order to roll out the strategic plan. We will focus on increasing network security protocols. Relating that to ISO/IEC 27002, we're going to implement guidelines and procedures to help implement security protocols within the organization. This is recommended. We're going to work on requiring that. We're going to increase network traffic monitoring. So, from an IT standpoint, we're going to keep a closer eye to the behaviors that's taking place within the network, the traffic that's happening, and we're going to do everything that we can to not only detect but prevent malicious traffic from entering into our network. We're going to implement a multi-factor authentication requirement across the board. Students, faculty, board members, everyone will be required to use multi-factor authentication. This just provides us one extra layer that prevents unauthorized users from easily walking into an email account or a school account. We're going to install and utilize intrusion detection and intrusion prevention systems. This provides us extra layers of security within our actual network. So if someone or a hacker or unauthorized user gets through the firewall, these will alert us. Intrusion detection and prevention systems will alert us, and we can take action to mitigate those risks and prevent those unauthorized users from getting any further in our network. The potential impact, if this strategy does fail, is unauthorized users will have an easier time gaining access to our sensitive data. A lot of personal identifiable information is within our network, so we want to make sure we can secure that and protect it at all costs. Division-specific operational plan. We are going to invest in network security tools. It's going to take some funding, but we had to put some money behind our security so we can protect our most valuable asset. Those tools are intrusion detection systems, intrusion prevention systems, and then even tools such as different education requirements, educating and training students and teachers on how to properly secure their information, their data, and their accounts, especially associated to the school and if they're going to be a part of our network. We're going to increase cybersecurity presence. We want to increase our manpower so we can do more training, more education. We can roll out patches when updates are needed, and we can monitor traffic more regularly. We're going to roll out multi-factor authentication requirements. In order to access the account, multi-factor authentication requirements will be implemented and required across the board for all students and faculty. If they don't implement those requirements, they won't have access to their account. We're also going to install our intrusion detection and intrusion prevention systems. This will take a lot of manpower to get it up and running and to continuously monitor, but it will provide those extra layers of security in the off chance that a risk presents itself or an unauthorized user hacks into our network. This strategic plan the responsibility falls solely on the IT department. We specialize and we are the experts in this field, so we take it upon ourselves to work efficiently, but also ethically, to provide the most secure network that we can to protect our sensitive data, to protect our students, and to protect our faculty. Finally, our division specific tactical plan, we're going to have to allocate some funds to the IT department. We're going to have to increase manpower to monitor the network, to roll out training and education. This plan will increase network security and protect sensitive data, which is our our biggest asset as a school. Progress will be tracked by successful detection and prevention of unauthorized users or intruders. And then progress will also be tracked by verifying that all faculty and students are utilizing multi-factor authentication. We can track that by those who cannot sign into their accounts. That's the wrap up of our strategic plan. I hope it helps and answers questions. Thank you.